We have met Preziosa a few years ago on the Milano Salon. We were looking for someone that could give us advice about interactivity and the way to think about the final design. And that's what happened with Preziosa. We wanted something to illustrate the way that the Crédit Agricole is made of 226 agencies, and so we wanted to illustrate this with 226 different pools.
The client wanted to show the appreciation for employees as well as VIP customers in a very unique way. This fully customized Breath of Light met this wish by creating an interactive installation with special features, special lighting scenes. The interactivity in this case reacts to motion, and the lighting scenes happen vertically and were designed with the space in mind. The Preziosa team involved specialists from many different departments as project team, engineering, construction, design, and definitely we need to mention our production team, our light keepers. It was truly amazing to watch it all come together.
The chandelier live. It reacts to what they do, it reacts to the way they live in this building. The way that it makes people reacting to the chandelier is the most important for us, and it's the best result for us.